growing up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran do that shit, yeah.
Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to work with addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions with like and unlike denominators. So like and unlike denominators. Okay, first of all we should know the types of fractions. One we have as proper fraction, other one we has as improper fraction, and third one we has as mixed fraction. Now you're gonna get you can see my another video on this topic, that what are how we convert improper to mixed and mixed to improper. But just for example, proper fraction is the way you get your marks in your exam. For example, 4 out of 5. Improper is when you say that this is not possible, like 9/7. You cannot get 9 marks out of 7. And mixed fraction is when you are writing this in as a whole number. For example, 7 times what makes 9 or less? 7 times 1 makes 7. How much more we need to add to make 9? 2. So 7 times 1 plus 2, 9/7. This is improper to mixed fraction. Anyways, our topic today is how to do what? How to add and subtract fractions of like and unlike denominator. First of all, 2/7 plus 6/7. Denominators are same. The only thing I need to do is I need to add the numbers. 8/7. 4/5 plus 4/8 and 2/8. Denominator same, so 6/8 is my answer. For like fractions, like denominators, very easy. Like denominators, I don't have to make any changes in that. Only thing, add the numerator. For unlike fractions, 7 over, let's say, 8 plus 6/5. Now denominators are different. I cannot do 7 plus 6 in this case. Remember, I cannot add or subtract a fraction when denominators are different. I have to make them same. Now there are a number of methods that you can use to make denominators same. One is a detailed method, which really needs your LCM, lowest common multiple, skills to be perfect. One is direct multiplication, one is cross multiplication. I'll start with the basic one. Let me say that this is my fraction A and this is my fraction B. I will use my fraction B's denominator to multiply with my whole A fraction. For example, this is 5. So I will say times 5 times 5. Now this is 8. So I will use my fraction A's denominator to multiply with my fraction B's whole fraction B. Times 8 times 8. Now look, 7 times 5 is 35. And 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 6 times 8 is 48. And 5 times 8 is 40 again. So 48 plus 35 I need to add. Please, if don't try to go direct methods, first you need to master and then you need to do the verbal addition. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3 and 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 and 3, 8, 83. 83/40 is now your answer. I did not added my fractions until I got same denominators. Let me do another question with the small values. Let's say 4/7 plus 3/6. Now denominators are different again. What I'm gonna do, I will use this number to multiply both things, and I will use this number to multiply both values here. So 6 is going to be multiplied with 4 and multiplied by 7, and this 7 is going to multiply with 3 and multiply by 6. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 7 times 3 is 21. You can draw one line and write one fraction together, that is 42, and then you can add them. 24 plus 21, so place value addition, 4 plus 1 5 and 2 plus 2 4 and 45/42 is your answer. This is how we are doing addition of a fraction with unlike denominators. Another easier method that you can use once you excel, once you get the proper expertise in this topic, that is a very simple one. In fact, 7/5 plus 2/9. First of all, multiply this with this. 9 times 5 is 45. Now 9 times 7 makes what? Cross multiplication. 9 times 7 63 plus 5 times 2 10. So 73/45 is your answer. You can check the same thing with the detailed method. Let me show you. 7/5 plus 2/9. Multiply this by 5 and this by 5. this by 9, and this by 9. 7 times 9 is 63 over 5 times 9 is 45 plus 5 times 2 is 10 and 9 times 5 is 45 again. So 63 plus 10, 73 over 45, which is absolutely same as this answer. Now this is quite an easy method which you can use very easily, but I will always suggest you guys to get the basic knowledge, get the proper knowledge of the topic first, and then start using smart topics, smart methods. This is a very smart method you can use directly, but again you must know how we are doing it and what is the logic behind that. One thing I want to highlight here, which most of the time students get confused with, please remember that multiplication of a fraction is absolutely different than addition or subtraction of a fraction. 7 times 8 makes 56 and 5 times 9 makes 45. There is no other calculation there. Please don't do cross multiplications, don't multiply any other number. In fraction multiplication, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Yes, in some cases you can simplify the fraction wherever is possible. Where it's not possible, you don't have to push yourself to simplify. That will be all for this video right now. I will show you the subtraction of fraction inshallah in the next video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.